And that right there is a camel. Weird. So weird. So hazy out there. There must be a bunch of wildfires around or something. All right, so this is gonna be another first time for me. We are at a clean culture car show. Never been to one of these, so let's go ahead and check it out. All right, GTR, good shit. NSX, nice clean NSX. Of course. I think I've seen these guys on YouTube. Supercar driven? Awesome. Clean Subi hatch. Look at the paint job on that. That's legit. Clean paint job. Just like the Widebody GR86. This is clean. Which Widebody kit is this? I know it's the common one, but it's clean now. Mark IV. I love the color on this. This color is legit. Let's check out the interior. Right-hand drive. That's legit. Oh, wow. Look at this Widebody kit on here. Carbon wheels. Check that out. That's clean. Got a cage in there too. I don't want to touch the paint. All right. Look at this kit, guys. I mean, not something that I would do, but it's really, really clean. Really like it. Nice. Another Supra in the house. Wow, these Widebody kits really, really bring out the car. Really makes the car stand out even more. Also got a yellow cage in there too. It's awesome. Really, really loving it. Nice clean matte blue S2000. I've always wanted an S2000. You know, I really missed out on an S2000 when these were really cheap, you know, around $10,000 range. But now these cars have skyrocketed to the moon. Still would drive one, still would buy one if I could find a good deal on one. Clean R32, Jack Ultramotive. This is a nice, unique green, kind of like a British racing green. Oh, I love it. SR20. First motor I ever built was an SR20. A front-wheel drive version, but it was still an SR20 regardless. Wow, it's white on camera, but it's like a very, very light blue. Purple M4. Seen this before. Nice and clean. Love the purple wrap on this. Now, a JDM car I would love to have. If you're a wagon guy, Stagia is definitely an awesome car. Basically a four-door wagon style GTR. You don't see too many of these around here in the States. These are awesome. And we got more cars back here too. Wow. Clean E30s right here. Always gotta love an E30. This M5 just chilling here. This is clean too. Work wheels. Clean 8.6 right here. Skyline, another Supra. Oh, that's all right, all right, all right. I like that front lip on there. Another Widebody Supra. Nice. Of course, M3. Always got to show the M3 some love. Let's go ahead and cruise the outer lot. Corolla. We'll see if there's anything here that's interesting, that sticks out. I'm not saying any of these cars are bad, but just looking for something that's out of the ordinary. I don't know what you guys think. Yeah, there's nothing really that really sticks out to me. Oh, Subi, neon green stuff. I used to be that guy. Check it out. Widebody, clean E92. Oh, BBSs. I really want some BBSs. Another E92. Clean Recaros. These are the seats that I want for both of my cars. The Sportsters. Definitely a seat to get. Another clean Supra on some work wheels. Sick. See what it has in there. 2-port AMS intake, FTP charge pipe, carbon fiber engine cover from AMS. Clean. Oh, this is interesting. It's clean S2000. Check this out. Dang, I really want an S2000 now. Got Subies. Check it out. Not sure what's going on here, but all right.
1 week later.
All right, guys, so we're here at the Supra/GR86 meet. So pretty cool. Looks like we got a good turnout so far. Tam had the flex on everybody. There you go.
Supras versus 86s. We'll see what happens at the end of the day, who comes through. But yeah, thank you guys for coming.
Are those TEs, man?
You know TE the world! I like to drive my car. You know, life happens, people get busy, and it's just a lot to coordinate. So now we do it by month. Thank you to Vin for organizing that. A lot of Supras and GR86s rolled through, right? Yes. As well as regular 86s too, right? Yeah, regular 86s. I think it's literally touching on the right side.
Let's take a closer look at Tam's Supra. Engine bay just looks freaking clean. I love the wrap color. Check it out. This is awesome. Cage.
Is that like a factory color for these wheels, or is it powder coated?
Let's take a look at Ryan's GR86. Nice cool wrap on there. Really love the matte look on it. It's pretty cool. The RK titanium exhaust on it. Awesome. The 86 has showed up today, that's for sure. I always love seeing this color in person. This color really pops like in person. I don't know, it just sticks out. I absolutely love this color. Check that out. It's just cool seeing a bunch of Supras together. It's awesome. End of the year, rain is coming, so I figured, you know, there'd be a lot of people that would show up. Sorry for the shaky cam, by the way. It's just, I forgot my gimbal. I love the look of the Advan GT, especially in the rear. It's wide. I think he's running, what, 295s or 305s? It's really clean.
What springs do you have? I have a KWV3 coilovers.
All right, post-meet lunch with the boys. Oh, food's so good. Look at out there with the boys eating.
I thought it was just gonna be.
What up, Bill?
Yeah. Us three. Bill couldn't make it. You might know Minji.
Calamari's good as hell. Got some beef skewers with some rice.
He broke his leg at 4 a.m.
Definitely.
And he sent me a message. He's like, I can't. See ya.